Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I am very excited to bring to you guys my third lens that I've purchased for my Panasonic G9. So those of you guys who are following the channel for a while, you guys would know that I had invested only in Leica lenses for my Panasonic G9 till now. But this is the first time I've invested in something else, and it is the 7Artisan lens. It's a 50mm prime lens with a f0.95, which is really low. I got this at a bargain price of about $229 Aussie dollars and got it delivered for a grand total of $245, which is not much, and I had the funds tied into eBay gift cards anyway, so I had to use them. Anyways, before I continue, I'd like to let you guys know this channel is only surviving with your support. So your subscriptions, watching videos, and that super thanks really helps out. Let's get this unboxing underway. So this came all the way from China. So looks like they've done a pretty good job of. Okay, so I think they included some stuff for me as well. I don't know what this is. Anyways, might be something camera related. I'm not a big camera person, so okay, maybe a cleaning kit, which I have already. So 7Artisans little pouch to carry it around. So what is this? I think it's some sort of clip that you can have onto your, so maybe you guys can tell me what it is. Focus wrench for manual lenses. So yes, this is, by the way, this is a manual lens for you guys, those of you guys who don't know. And that's the brush to clean the lens with. So what else did I get? Okay, I think this is just like a easy peasy carry pouch for it, so it doesn't get damaged, and it's quite thick as well. I don't know if that translates to camera or not, but it's quite thick. I don't know about the make of it, but it's quite thick. All right, let's get these out of the way for a little bit. It's nicely packed, okay, although these corners I'm not too happy about, but the lens is sitting inside its box, so hopefully the box has done a better job, and you would assume the lens manufacturer has done a thorough job of ensuring that they have it in a pretty good box. Okay, so bang, nicely bubble wrapped. That's a very impressive box, if I have to say so. Doesn't look half bad at all for the price of it. Looks really nice. Okay, that's basically it for that. Let's slide it out. By the way, they come in all different mounts, so for Sony and everything like that, but because I've got a micro four thirds camera, which the G9 is, it is only for this. Okay guys, that's basically it. It's got a camera cover. I'd like to see if this would go on with a lens as well, a lens filter. Would this fit properly with that? That's my only concern. I'm pretty happy with the whole experience, even though if it's all the way from China. They were really nice to me. They really helped out. I said, hey look, this is what I'm ready to offer. They had it in Australia on sale as well, $2.29. However, as soon as I went to purchase it, it kept changing the delivery. It went from all the way down from $6 all the way up to I think $45, which was just ridiculous. And by the time I contacted them, they were like, the sale's finished. And I'm like, all right, can I have it at the same price? They were like, no, you can have it for the full price and we'll charge you $6 on top. And that would work out to be more than these people. So I just contacted them and I was like, can you do $2.29? And they were like, yep. And they did $2.29 with delivery of $2.49 in total. So let's see if they've sent this tiny bag for it. That's not too bad. Okay, I'm happy with that. I'm pretty happy with that. That's great. That not too shabby at all. Let's look at the artisan one. 7Artisans. Not just one, 7 of them. That's why there's a S in the end. 7Artisans. Okay. Alright. Fits in there fine. Not a problem. Microfiber cloth, ensuring that it does not get damaged. And let's see if we can double protect it. So for storage and things like that. Yep, beautiful. Alright, that's what I like to see. All right, how tight is that? That's pretty good. Okay, can't go wrong with that for free. They've included this as a gift for me, so thanks a lot. Okay, thank you for watching this episode to the end. I really appreciate you guys sticking out to the end. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what sort of pictures you'd like to see. I'm thinking of putting this lens up against my Leica lens, mostly for object photography, but let me know. Give me ideas. What do you think about it? Thank you for watching it to the end. Take good care. Bye-bye.